na dwumadi kesi etia jaw. In the preface of the show ebeko asante mantem agudiem ensem keka adoso na afie de nkomo etia sabro emepam no adaje be ma ebeko amanone tokrum na afie nkomo awdo etia piepie mu amanone no yetia besebese ho kakra na won sena niama esi ekọ won hyehya hodo a ye de ebro ni mu na mu hye no soma me se enei wodo wani etia sa kyerem e Ghana ha padia enwuma ku a wo edi mu akwetene pa obetimi no matia di dwa no ana me kanfo dia ma Airtel Tigo big time data bundle ana ye de ema Airtel Tigo mesel big time data bundle ana ye de ema. It's so nice but more than that so don't wait inside gym and nice to know some essential things don't expire and it but more than that so don't beji Airtel Tigo mu me pacho but more than that say unya Airtel Tigo bi bit inside about data bundle no emu ebe de amount say be bit inside to so na odi din so o dial *11# now I enjoy the data. It doesn't expire but more than that say Airtel Tigo pay and this essential so kono bit inside jaw me pacho *111# na fe oni Airtel Tigo etimi edin so Asempa FM work with the stars Jumedin Ebede now we ebe the second edition I de ebro remember that Saturday 6th of April 2019 and I said Jumedi kesi between Sabaso where stars ebe fie nyasem keto akra yankasa akra gina na so bruta I was said Jumedi kesi between Sato Fentibra na ye na ye nantimbo me fantentie mpom TV free kakra na mo beba no wo hese na hye nsi kwa edi apono kese pa besi o na fie etua saboa e ma wo so health screening no be hwe mojam umfifrem ebe fi ntasum na fa odwunsom yade bia titu bia penepom asibre edi ama me pacho first 100 people ebedu ano ana benya sa kwenye ISI health screening betua boa e mo pom don sam etia kwe but by 5:30 am there na for court of Asempa FM multimedia kukumeme fan of first street hadie na ye keke off anisa 6th of April memeda 2019 ana such media kesi ebetia baso Asempa FM yeton san dia fake fit clubs no supporters groups no na fe corporate organizations awdo nyina obi anfa na nitime san che dwumadi kesi ase ye namfofo ne atamfo nyina mosrema pom don sam hian ene tin de san share so kwetian san fen so safibia no ye betia san bom na yabosrehe na yetimi edisa exercise yetian san pem so betia boa ema niam etin akoye mesrewada adorable ladies na eba sem passport team ne ginam de pa Patrick Osage my country masongo eba na fe Joy Sports phone so eba na fe Alligator Sports crew no so eba Adom News eba na fe so bedwem ekosi sen na fe so nipa hodo ni na obi adani betia san kire mesrew ye tintin pom keke na fe so etian senya opom den kama na boa amasetan so etian san kwe no wadi nchina che eniti ane ye kanfo san share so kwe dia ma obesa odun huji mu dia 0540106467 0540106467 na oni Asempa FM work with the stars and paying for events and promotions na entwetwe enkomo. Sponsors are Airtel no Fido Money Lending instant loan and ye de ma yan say akọ Play Store no so no download app no Fido Money Lending hu yan say odi bibia ekodi akagiremu na so de kosia wa ansa na discount Fido Money Lending yan say akọ Play Store no so no download app no kama and obetian sa boa mo etian say nya bosia kuma bia obeti dia boadwuma mo asetentia kwe mybet.africa the home of betting can betting padia abayi pa but more than that so do hubiti and gym and now share immortal kwameja kwa champ pay or born the second house so out me sampa you start your juma yache immortal na ketu akrade kanu kwadia enka wentimi ensi the second house ye ni ogusu esi ushia eminu akuma kwa kutwum so out me sampa dika sem koye keke mybet.africa madama otwa ne befu no adi ne befu no ana abo ma nkrofo hwe project am ye okruma enye asem ketu akra obefese bi kwa na wo makoji esi kabiye bi obabi na so mybet.africa madama and ni aboama niama etiansa kweminu ase do demu ehwese na niama esi ekoso amafo flourish na ono so na adwense nyame adoma nche bia wode no beje mybet.africa mu sanso ana gifty antied ono de otimi sampa ono otimi nya permutations ni enti oto ana afo but ohwese na mexico so eni da so ho mu bia eni ti fa ho jimi na afie hwese bebetia aboama niama etia kwedi ama eno pon a give us ice mineral water fon so tachire pa kan so a ono ma obojo se kamatia give us mineral ice water na metonta dia frose modern da wonya bi betian saboa ana afi so explode energy drink ye ka energy drink ba quality misampa eno so utimi se nuane no ebetian boa manema kwedi ma explode energy drink ana make am for dia ma Afrisco cube enso tachiri pa na afi so adonko bitters for enso edin sampapa pa na tachiri wi a yedina adonko bitters ye kakra be so fam na yehusana nema ebesi akosona na panyi heba aresa panyi ene ewrade bo modern da so do ni betian sa chiro maka chena no pai bo modern mo betwen sa ba fe no master ten no mom do no bi afase do no ehwese ne nema besi akọ ewo no so hyehye no na panyi heba wo mo so bo adwuma bruta abenso eye original pomoden da openso ba kwa betwen sa no ma ne nye abenso nsa ba kwa tim sampa obenya no sachi mu na watwa bobọ kakra na boa ema nema atwa tutu ye ede amount na afen so kwa no Grace Homeopathic Clinic for the leading homeopathic clinic in Ghana almost techri pa and ye dey work no 18 sabre obomoden da se obeba na oni abedin sa so e wa Sempa FM Work with the Stars Jumedia ebeba so on the 6th of April 2019 memeda ana sanche so kono 18 asaba se no so mam say 34 minutes after the 7 na mum Jumedia ba kwa eno so medi hu de rubo eja no 3 music awards sa Jumedia kese so Jumedia eno so ebe de pa na Grand Music Achievers Night and ye hwe nim say also between sababi a night for the chart topping headlines and afi so be ma showbiz superstars neba massive celebration with the music industry so bomodian da ye che over 26 awards on that day. The performances are going to be electrifying. You can say electrifying the ultimate sampa electricity and fensanka or don't say count the one year papa meso sa pepe and ni ye anyonto ne performance eba no wo mo ebetimi ne hye ne tian sampem so hobe de so bi baby and intibra now so far hobe jim na fi hwe se bia ne ma betia kwedi am get ready for the second annual 3 music awards and also Jumedi ebe de pa me pa cho Jumedi e come off live e wo Air Fantasy Dome Trade Fair Center Saturday 30th of March 2018 7 p.m. say Ghana Jumedi no etimi asa to fem na fe so kwa hwe pre event gala start ya ebe de unity round pavilion fans na emra music stars na eba top celebrities no ebe gather ahonoma otimi sampa cameras na be live a show sanche so Queen Aboa emaniama etiakui ediamao Kidi baby na fe Kwame Eugene baby na fe Wendy Shea ye wono so baby Adina baby medical na fe so kwa na Akwaboa Jometel Shatawalas eba na fe Shatawali nso eba multiple Grammy nominated artists Rocky the winner won so ina ediomani 8 sanche na fe Victor AD from Nigeria ono so the more exciting performances ebetian saba me pa show Jumedi no ebe de anything na yeton sandia for so ba to ticket 100 Ghana cedis regular nipa edudo na gina bia ho na fe 150 no nipa titu ni nimpon won so egina bia VIP o na onso be hwe bi grab ticket no e Joy FM Airport Shell Bachuna to terminal bi o se Botswana chocha na fe so Fantasy Dome odo ni chirima won sa betian ke wo betian friend e betian ticket na bra ba bia obia 0540106466 0540106466 na phone pen phone twenkomo na buku table VIP session no na ehwemwa emanema team ku informa 3 music awards no me pacho presented by Joy FM, Hits FM, Joy Prime TV, and Afi Fantasy Dome with the support from Love FM, Joy News TV, and Afi Adum FM, Adum TV, Asempa FM, Insure FM, and joyonline.com. And it is I share some Queen 18 bro myself. Dial star 713 star 2 hash na fe watimi a continue second bias no obetimi avote for favorite act to win e was na share ne besi akoso no 3 music awards 2019 bomodiada se so do obetimi asaji me be de enti ye nyina ye de ho ebe folim Nyaboa amajumedin etia kuyi ediamao. I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. You can't your friend Sakawa na say your code details pa bones and rituals abeye no enyen kwala rituals odo mame betia code papa beko odu nuanu beko to de bia wanka sakra no odi yori fo no beka se fa hwene bra ebedu ba bi o se fo aso bra fo ni bra fa woto bra na afi kra fa wonsa bra wetimi do na ina etia sa koni na Sakawa rituals obetia sa yansa na wetimi nya bruni ba akokra na wetimi na chate na odi abu no we na enema bia emwa niti ana Simba Bet SC Kenya why na simple e dia ma okra ni yanse sports bet odi hu betian sa gym na aboa emanema etian sa kwedi ma odds no on sports bet no e Ghana ha no e wo suye pa with Simba Bet ni ti bomotian da so odi hu betian sa ge Simba Bet mu e virtual sports or dice and rule e ho and afi spin to win ni na enhehye so kokra Simba Bet e dia ba. I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. Quickly go now log on to www.simbabet.com.gh na afi wo place you bet Simba Bet best odds always and ye dey ema na boa emanema etian kwedi amanei ma wo se writer amenyon so hwese ne Mexico so national service kano isa ntono so de no age Simba Bet mu a na se twia ana wo twa ntu hwe no na tai bia obo adwuma no ne kona check akraba se de ase was street no ni na Simba Bet madama ana eboa emanema etian kwedi mo omo de omo te wo kwa omo ntie hwe wo hwese ne ma ezie kwa na se betuefo enso ene hyehyɛ so kwetian sa ba ye tabiri nkofo e de afika na ha na omakopie mu e wo Egypt ene ti bomoden da se so betian saka Betway for package ho me pacho o grabo o back 9 pass no grabo passport no get ready to watch the best in Africa e AFCON akensi kese a e betian sa to dwa no Betway e ma sa kwanya kese no ye de nipa best minu ana e feel say dwumedie kese as supporters of Blasters na odwani a chim e Egypt na wakota chi. There will also be a 100 free bet prizes and also betian sa bo am so 100 cash prizes for grabs and so every day we more than that so the betian sa gym each week no one lucky winner no e betian work away with Betway prizes no na feel so we choice value da 1,000 Ghana cedis na so betian ka visit betway.com.gh na feel so betting on any soccer event from March 4th and shares and shares can say yeah the kwa 28th of April you earned one entry into the draw with every bet you place and into one that so no betian sa Betway for the love of the game among for a twa betting mo for so menu dia opechacha da bi agoro ho donti ana ya na nipa brina ediom ho 18 sa gym sna club owners ediom sika share football mu agoro ho donti ana mafo twa bom kra stella no west Mexico so we for ne appetition fo twa bom kra na so ngusu die ojo mu gym no for the love of the game into the misel omodian da se so Betway no do ho betian sa gym ni mru fie no otwe a emra na ema ho kwan se betian sa to binti ya hwe sa ya to ne edi aya makakra na so de aboata so e wo se na hyehyɛ no ebesi akɔ e wo honim ti wei ene hyehyɛ no so ebetian sa piem na aboa ema niama etian sa kwa madama wo mo na etachiri aboa ema sports night still on ASEMP Asempa 94.7 FM so etian jaw 39 minutes after the hour of 7 yebehwe si ebetian akɔ Asante Mantema Gudiem ensem keka na afin koma wo do etian sa pipim ho no ye de ho komo etian sa jawana na wo mo se na niama AC ekɔ Immortal Kwameja kwa champon writer amenyo ana afi Bernard Padibotwe Philip Otu AK47 the gunshot man na ne papa kanchine ono so etachire we sunsuma wo boa emaniama etian kwe Philip Kafra watidue nyame adoma ba bejaw e discover bejaw nya tawe chia boa mane metian san kwe emfa no fafasa emfa ho enka no nana etesese ne net ye ba se pa de erade ehire nipa aye mane enka ebutum sa ya be boa emaniama etian san kwe gifty anti so fast servings no am se da bi gifty on fast servings no kwa obeto nsan create be 100 na afi wasa edna kwiba kwa etian san ka ho na afi hwese ne Mexico so obi ai motamu na contributions ebetian san ba Philip papa ne damfam yo se amwana Philip da fam se kuyuto Philip angasa kura no hunam fam kro da fam na ne papa san da fam ne otimi sampa okobakos nyame adoma ebetimi epeye anwi na edna gina se kunkum samia kwada di renchi ahye boss nyame adoma obebua ama yetimi di sansam so se kama enkan na dwa nyama se de obua nipa de sahye ne butuma sika na eba enya adwe nti ebehwese na ne ma besi akọ o hyehyɛ no so ebetimi sapiem no abejafo anya trantrase ayewe nim se yeden komo no betimi sa to so e de amom na yehu se na nche ne ebesi akọ bibia boko de anuanum
amiadum bia boko
bia come on
bia fine
okay o ti say do de mun kan that is pa bibia aye kan kama say do say me ma assignment bi wo hwemu kakra
before cry na ma hwemu kakra but na say ade a ye na edi ekirache nti you're enough knowledge on it, and we have some of us also were part of his craving for his passage. And even before I may intercept the real documents, we were snipers of information on how it's going to be implemented and the rest. So I have those here of it.
Okay. Na me adoma be kom e be san ko aloya fo so na afia ginchichi mu so emra na e kan de fasa na hye ne si kon na afia manfo ehun se na niam ABC akọ e wo sa implementation of a bill ne kan chese ya pass no ye be hwem ene se na niam ABC akọ e wo twumedi a eno so 18 SPM no na me adoma ye be doma suko na afia hwe se na twumedi ne ABC akọ e wo honom fa menyum no ba ko him na afia hwe
Asempa FM 94.7.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. that tonight's gonna be a good night, that tonight's gonna be a good night, that tonight's gonna be a good night.
Of course, tonight is really going to be a good night. Yankon Kensina Kaho, El Far away, United States of America, Nafi, in Kumokakra, Akaya Mwajo.
Yeah, it is
Boko, now sway.
Yeah.
Okay. Me sure say what in komo apipi mu e kana ha na ye hwe nim se kwan bia so no former FA president Ura Kwesi Ntachi enke ne kwakogina atendi anim na afi yebu atentrene e honom but the attorney general omo so office in komo kakra tiansa ba we ma Maame Gloria Kufu say the office no eager some be prosecute and battle former president of the Ghana Football Association. Evidence required no to continue the process no lake e wo mutwumadi a wo mu edimu na nanwada na deputy attorney general so de ne komo betu dwa se chechire mu sampa hwese na nema esi ekoso na nkomo a etuansa aba no we sena hyane si kwa se adwuma no ye niso a ntenya de a wo mu ebetuanya bibia e de prosecute no owura Kwame Tofian kwemranimfo o justify with regards to air law no sena nema esi eko e de masan komo etuansa pie mu referee nanwada anasarem ya anas ni video no e capture om Ura Kwesi Ntachi ankasa o say it will not be possible e was na hyane esi ekoso okotu relevant laws be former Division 1 League Board Chairman HHS Nema Asia Cost in Discipline Code of FIFA Article 59 Clause 1B no stipulated say you cannot be given a lifetime ban if you indulge in a bribery and corruption and HHS Nema Asia Cost oba our own GFA Criminal Code Article 61 Clause 1B na bribery and corruption indulgence na come with a lifetime ban whereas na Shani Asia kwa Ura Kwame Tofian ko HHS CAF Discipline Code no specifically 127 no and a clause 1B no kasa efa lifetime ban and afi so not prosecution say de kwakogina tendianim na ebu attendie o hwese na Mexico so kuo bi anane omo ayomdwumadi nti omo kwa mo fa so de twen so nti oman no etimi fa nemra metwe san kofia so FIFA tax force no enso de nkomo kakra twen sa ba ni omo so ehwe nim se kwan bia so no omo ebetimi de football governing body no creative various mechanisms a omo betimi deal with nkofo ebe fa no omo guilty ewo expose yumedia nanwada etiensa piem no minim komo iba no watete ho penten kwa kakra sen ene sitie de ma
me tia dem ni banking ade we de won say me mu na ofra me na me ka de we the same thing na me ka na bi mu say me ka the same thing every say amanfo ni mram say ye ni me ye de abufuo ni emotions or yaw na cancer me nyamra court ye de mra na ko on the street they be asenya tetia say Ghana football ba me ka say judge bia ni ho ade we be di 5 minutes kra so share law I had my attorney general for we prosecutors no almost legal term almost say sandwich you can induct a sandwich to say brodo I didn't kusiashe mukwabe to the court make me akoto kose na you make me akaseme the court by judge any prosecutor no befa and no na ya aseme nya court awbeko no make me abowaso no atako report to my police and no tell say me dibem me bo well, if you know, Uber trying digest sandwich, not just a simple to me court, by him for intimate camp in the beginning say, I did where I'm working with court. If we say, and yet rare way, yan techi, and yiska a stage. I is a we movies, no. Sana last again year. Well, as Jessica Brunia, Facunia Nas, Mufani Brunia, only Adamu, Mufanko di Brunia. Now, funny child say, why the briber. And no evidence. Ube make me kasa with the bribe by a court pay evidence. Say a DNA or Jian kasa. Do ye na ye stage. I write who movies. No, me my example say me no Korea sika wo sua. Me catch us wala young ko su bang in Korea sika. Na ye wo videos. Ye the police station ye nyefi. Mangaza say a waste of time. I say about sending a Ghana for Bua Funyan Petin and Yan Petin. Court to be whoever for judge be who are now prosecutor obey wasting the time. Internet sometimes ask them court almost say ya did bribe no. If you say pinim legal system, no say Ghana for you was psychological effect to be so therefore booty yes and if we say how to me bibia. Sadia no yen you come here and no crown on but try no. Say moduma ho ye the video bo ha e see catch them say video bo I didn't see a person a chimney catch them say video bo and can make sense. But when you write is all this secret camera, the bow behold the video. No. By any new camera, the soldier for the years so and Ghana for free and now or yadi. You come here to have a try on no.
Okay. And second video class about basis abri go so twon dare say am for say a full video ne nkonia but you use the same precedents e dey judging crofon am for so expect say nyame adoma ye fa sa kwantene so a emfa nko anim e wo se ne ye first one na
oh David any na me see judge say yes fair no but traction your psychological impact na where so me son me hu Ghana for ma or almost town way 7980 mu ho no uton toothpaste fanta cement na ya raw hu na una mabontin iti ebi ma ji atun se utun ye de ope bia ho ekrom na kaka ade bi tira kra bia we kasa know my right you know me right to feel comfort you know my right both educated and uneducated for in any more right to Ghana kakra bi by 10% iti ofin so bia tun ye de ope dia na se ye no so fight corruption prayer so nya people free court. I had no FBI for you, but on we are a free court. Judges time people man say, Kowala fee kosher the oil. Well, won't mean yes, sir, or a just journalist, or your BNI for this a court to science here, and yes, I me catch on the last year say, the crony has said drugs will come the police chiwa, a court I took me, Judge Busan, and 100 months, a constitution. Esa unya sembi ansana wajina obika se mishifim enye sa usho police agent no na wajina obi se mama shoka butu na anasa journalist won esa ka court man right say konyanta chi ho ne ko temple di oye enu na be court na attorney general say yense hu no u ti joma na obeka se we ya de ne court legally na nya no kra.
Okay. You better was your Yami Adoma himself, be ideas, you ever sat was of you. We actually, I don't know, ever saw you. Now, actually, it's an American.
Aha, and Column best you Ukrainian account. Aha, Column best you every say against his human rights. Like, Ube video, that's so Nana doing a year da, na sako video, no, the Wabonting. Run Ghana for every time right here. The analysis, so a bedu baby, no, you read shed them, no video, no Wabonting.
Okay. I come in for here. Why?
Actually.
Okay. In the case naka, and also the idea Etienne Saba or the other to America, the no, near San Yama is here. Say briefly on a car comment on
I think say he's been consistent. Because say like you mentioned, we interviewed just around May and the same things no can I say. Because at time cried or you so ways we say President no did ya me. Or person born in Humbai and he's been very consistent and we have all been very consistent except that either people are hypocrites or they don't know me. This is what I've been seeing all this while. Either some are hypocrites and now and Tunina is not pardonable. Even the laws of Ghana say ignorance of the law is not an excuse. So Nina, the people are culpable of whichever way they are or they think, whether they are hypocrites or don't know. And he said, you see, the point is that instead of wasting resources, and I spend resources to solicit for signatures, that resources could have gone to court to seek for, or to say, instead of make these signatures, I did not may take it upon myself and consider the arrest. I mean, by starting the process of reporting the person in my capacity as a tiger eye or an ass at the police station, then follow it to court, then you become the Obiawa accusee, your friends say no. You understand? So because when you solicit the government, you see, people must understand governance. Excuse my language. President Akufo-Addo is not a president unto himself. He's a president because we have brought him there, and there's a mandate. His mandate is supported by the Constitution of Ghana. The president cannot go beyond the Constitution of Ghana. Anything that in can say, President no only right to cause the arrest of Kwesi Nantich. And indeed, the presidency came to clear. So on casting arrest, nobody said they should investigate him. You understand? Because when you say you should arrest her, then you are coming to stand as an individual, and the president do not have that indemnity to as an individual to take somebody to court to report somebody. You understand? Anything like I say you can't say follow here. That president aspect, it means the president must go to court himself to defend it. So the president cannot follow it. What they term as criminal aspects, it is not backed by any law. And do for the Constitution of Ghana, not for the criminal codes, not for the legal documents a court for the age manner. It won't be anywhere you can prosecute the man, because in what Anas terms as corrupt practices, there is area be anywhere you say or can say abandoned in the sika and a question is area. That one crampono, the law provides for her the mechanisms that for the say private person any government according to contract now misgivings and mishaps be abamuno. There are processes, so it's not as easy as going around asking 30 me if you bring our sign me if I'm decided going back to waste paper and the pen. Remember sign, remember me sign. You understand? Okay. It is not as if somebody showed it. We want to have a sanitized environment. So if we think that the president of the land, the former president of the GFA, with this car, and also we are contravening any of the laws of Ghana, we will push for his arrest and prosecution. But the thing we saw in the video, like me, I've mentioned that it was a play act. Okay. And you Ghanaians took it serious. And a movie. And like I say, movie ni fa movie muaba na ye de abobra. They say they be movie pragia no musu ni nyama. Acting. So what you saw in that
Eddie Kunkumba ya buy sister bi wo say febu su.
Sa bebe na unim sa de na esi no. Sa de na esi exactly how Ghanaians reacted to the Anas issue. Because they see Ghana no and your worse is in see other parts of the world. The Cassiopoli was worse than what we saw here, because the Cassiopoli, the people moved beyond Italy to Switzerland to purchase SIM cards where they used to do the calls, so that people cannot even track the courts, the transactions. So the FBI and the Italian police, they went beyond the borders of Italy to seek for information on my use through the Swiss card, SIM cards in Yama. And yet, more than saying 1.5 million. And today, look at where we are. So I think Mr. Sankade, he's been very, very consistent, and I like that for his consistency. Okay.
Yes, yeah. Michael, we have a call here. Yenko Amanoni Tokrum, Yenra Amanoni Tokrum. Nafe, if you have Amanoni Tokrum immediately, no, and Komoka cry war national team. No, the best not to also the Amama for. Almost sending them a Seco. I mean, I admit it's a Kofi Poku, Alewa, and I guess Nebonus Amanefeno, or a former MTNFA Cup, a committee vice chairman. I mean, I don't want to say in the veteran Kumo, and very sending them. AC Echo.
It's time for Foreign Tidbits. Some news from the world. Foreign Tidbits. Authentic news. Foreign Tidbits.
Okay, it's Amanonito Chrome, Michael. For every way.
Yeah, Prof. And then on Amanonito Chrome, I think say a round trip. I go Italy. Now about Germany. Now I go Italy. Now I go Spain. Now I go England. And
I'll quit the cow.
Said visited here, said be around trip. Okay. I can't go there. If you find information, I said we call other venue to pick another information. In the first story on Amanonito Chrome about Mario Mandzukic, who say after say almost signing from Bayern Munich, he has been part and parcel of Juventus success now Mania or Italy. And then Sky Sports and as a Sky Sports Italia, a reporter said Juventus are looking to tie Mario Mandzukic down to a contract deal that will end on 2021. And say Mario Mandzukic was signed new contract with Juventus. Sky Sports Italia for no reporting. Now in Germany, Sports Bild reporter say Bayern Munich they are looking to get Kai Havertz into their team. Now Kai Havertz or a player be Obama Bayer Leverkusen. Now, if you watch how this boy plays, just 19 years. If you watch him play, or you say Mesut Ozil, this player is a left-footed predominantly. Now, Ushana is cast in Mesut Ozil, the style of play. He's a proper number 10, and they are looking at rebuilding. That is Bayern Munich. Until they want to bring this player from Bayer Leverkusen, Kai Havertz, to Bayern Munich in the summer of 2020. Now, the same Sports Bild, a reporter say Borussia Dortmund want to do a shake-up in their team. Now, we should shake up on person party ways with some players. Now, person signing another players on contract. And just say sack players, so they want to part ways. And as a person players be leaving from, I'm taking a leave from the club. Now, if you go into players, I'm person signing new contract. I'm person Mario Götze signing new contract. I'm person Rafael Guerreiro signing new contract. After to Jacob Brun Larsen, I'm person signing new contract. Now, players are person who call out of the team, and I say, party ways from the club. Shinji Kagawa. Now Shinji Kagawa is on loan at Besiktas on your part of the team. Into I think say season incredible empire, but on my own assessment of the players that are impact in Borussia Dortmund season. And they want Shinji Kagawa to leave the club. I just saw Musa Kino. I say Borussia Dortmund sack this place. They want him to leave, and I say they want him to part ways with the club. Now I go continue the career in another club. I want to say Andre Scheller. So every team now Andre Scheller is on loan at Fulham. It is not part of the team. I want to say Sebastian Rode. So every club into this is the shake up Borussia Dortmund. Almost year ahead of the season in 2019. Now another story PM Germany. Say Rafael van der Vaart, who is Holland international. I granted an interview with Sports One. Say Matthias de Ligt here of Ajax. We share the transfer rumors are back from Amanonia, Barca Peno, Madrid Peno. Obia per this boy because he has formed, and I say he has been able to form a formidable partnership with Virgil van Dijk in the heart of Holland's defense. Into this boy is one of the potential defenders who are looking to make a change in world football. Into all the big clubs are looking up for this boy, but Rafael van der Vaart, Bayern advice say they should take this player on. But this player, when he comes into Bayern, he can give a lot to Bayern. We share Bayern or defense, defensive partnership of Niklas Süle, any Matt Hummels. Who's Matt Hummels is growing, and I say, oh, Niklas Süle na age if you want to cry into when you bring in Matthias de Ligt, or to me for me a formidable partnership with Niklas Süle for Matt Hummels to take sit backstage, because even in national team, and as a Germany national team, Matt Hummels is not more part of the team. So when you bring this boy in, according to Van der Vaart, you'll be able to give more to Bayern because they are rebuilding. And when you are rebuilding, you want to bring in new players, and as a young players who will be able to last in the team for more than a decade. Now in France, the story will be IPM about Mourinho going to Monaco and as a Lyon. Now I think that this story is dead on arrival because Mourinho team be out of the team man in France. He can make success with the team and also about to improving the CV. Into Monaco and Lyon, they are not teams with a good financial clubs. Yes, to support Mourinho in the transfer market. And I don't think that this news will come to pass. Now, L'Equipe, Amundi source reported the story. Now, one player who has made a lot of name in this summer, and I say in this season, Luka Jovic. Now, Luka Jovic, a player of Benfica. But now he's on loan in Germany. Team from Eintracht Frankfurt. Was 15 goals in the Bundesliga. Was 7 in the Europa League. Now he's just 21 years old. Now was 21 goals. Into a lot of the teams, big teams in Europe, Madrid, Barca, City, Omujina caught this boy. But I think this is one season wonder because at Benfica, he wasn't getting playing time. Into a Nico loan in Eintracht Frankfurt. In this season, I was 15 league goals and I was 7 in Europa. Into teams, big teams are chasing this boy. I think it's too early. We should give this boy some time. Just one season wonder. We saw with the likes of Ciro Immobile. Omuri recorded some good goals in the season. But after that, Dortmund for a turn. The performance from Ciro Immobile now is with Lazio. Or reviving the form. Into Luka Jovic, I think one season wonder. They should wait for him to prove himself as a good striker before the big clubs will go in for Luka Jovic. Another story is on Gonzalo Higuain. Gonzalo Higuain is on loan at Chelsea from Juve. Now, who share the deal now? We bought now Bono because, and I said the ball now Bono and Koyemano because of the coach. Intina Gonzalo Higuain by, but coach Nankasa, there's been a lot of pressure on Mauricio Sarri. Into Chelsea are looking to replace him at the end of the season. Into if indeed Mauricio Sarri leaves Chelsea, Roma wants to get him on, and if Roma gets him on, there is a deal linking Dzeko from Roma to Inter because Mario Icardi on disciplinary issues with Inter. Inter are looking to offload this player. Inter say Mario Icardi free Inter. You have Dzeko going into Inter, and then you have Gonzalo Higuain coming to Roma. Into this transfer, and I said triangular transfer, it will take a lot of things for this deal to happen. Into I think the story I say follow is not simple like that. It's very complex, this transfer. We should buy now. They are also looking to sign Sergio Gnabry onto their team now on person more chance, but AC Milan per se almost signed this boy. Now Sergio Gnabry, if you look at the development as a player, he started from Arsenal. One of the young players that will break it through the Arsenal ranks with the likes of Aaron Ramsey, but he couldn't make the deal, and I say he couldn't make the top, and I say he couldn't make the standard. He couldn't meet the standard at Arsenal. Into Arsenal formerly called loan or Germany, but now he's playing with Bayern and he's doing so well. He's part of the national team now. Sergio Gnabry, he's 23 years old. Now Kero, and I say Corriere dello Sport. Now we reported that story. He say AC Milan for this boy. I think that this story it won't last any long because Germans, and I said German players, they want to be in Germany and play in German national teams. It's a Prof Manuesi.
Okay, it's no nkoma Michael can so dia ba ma no ni tokrom and this ankomo eja e wa hanom. A man cannot afford to be useless during the day and at night.
It's time for foreign tidbits. News from the
and yes. A man can afford to be useless in the night, during the day, and then as well as in the night.
No, you can't afford to be.
You understand?
Like that,
you're in a talker and our team. You're in a anchor. You're in a toy shirt. You don't know. Now say more air da. Over so you're in good team. As I know team. Uskimu. Aji. Everyday. You say you're useless. Young Komu and then Komo Bena. What they ever. Good for Serenema Asia Core national team. Good,
Prof. I've been wanting to do this operation. Who's your first operation on Kotoko?
Yes. And the way a second operation on the national team.
Yes.
Okay.
We're a national team.
Okay.
Now, say I'm out for that. Munyanium no muntie. Now, this show and I said this segment a eye opener to ex-footballers, to coaches, active and retired, to journalists who are interested in technical aspect of the game.
Okay, mame hold on kakra na me ko amano so ye techi ahe tender ono ana step aside general manager edema 11 wonders yimzan se sen ena nema ACTA ora techi ahe mo adwo.
Thank you all.
Ibi abokode
oh nyame ena mo file
na portfolio awudi di kakra kai mo step aside
wala zo dai
na portfolio ya awudi di kakra kai mo step aside.
Oh, Minia, Obi on the chair, he didn't say football, and I made him baby. Me didn't agree that me Juma. Football is just a hobby. And I say, Crown, I'm because I may Juma up and down.
Why are Sobrachi be our team Nakachana? Why are Sobrachi be ana?
What is that?
Mr. Why are Sobrachi be our team Nakachana? Oh, Lai Munya cry, Lai Munya. Hello.
Yeah.
I vote to make her.
Yeah.
No me say why Bonibiana.
Just misunderstanding, but I decided not to talk about it. But at the appropriate time, no, what I will find this level.
Okay. And misunderstanding between only team owner no.
And your team owner no per se. A session of Nipedima or if you say tender, Kasa or Casadiano, or Kasa, a fat normalization committee, or if you say you're doing politics. But you'll be able to change at the end of the day. I said about mechanism in I know I could what you have better things there. What I found this level. I decided not to talk about it.
Oh, okay. Go ahead and say, I'm step aside and I mean, that but I'm on for Kikau Chrome say, I say, we're for a circle who Pama, I'll quite tired chino, and a number man for be a war who at the actual Timonano, MNE, step aside.
Says I said, Mr. Usum video for more Winyame, Usum also Winyame, between for between so. It is I don't know the better stop it. The earlier the better. You ought to step outside the crowd and meet my boy one night. Because I said to divided attention. But if I'm to campaign for Palmer, I don't want and then the call business there. Hallelujah. And I can open it up.
Okay. It's a Palmer Semiana and a over be away.
Palmer Mama Eden.
Me say Palmer Semia and I'm support Ade man no and I'm a step aside.
think that no can hold the immediate, but remote custom error. But Obi on tend to be Minyami or bomb and Obi to him very much. And I think the jacket up the is a diameter gumebo. But I think that common sense will prevail. Now, some of the course, you know. I think that tender will be restored. Yeah.
Okay, and definitely you best restore.
Oh yeah, by all means.
Okay. And yes, be person more pamo, but as a penny when you more ferry into step aside, now all the sun be a wow cuckoo cry, ubufu, like our call baby.
Wallace, my children, why? Yeah.
Okay. Now me show portfolio ni because say portfolio no ugu suit kita dia ma heavy more e won come out ni e be di nimitina na me gu so scrutinize the kakra.
Wallace obi onu tender bia ni say e pon ba kum efo a bia mi nsa e na kra bitimi bia but e ho na me fe me say de be ya and say me ye madwuma sesei because bia nsi ko me nyuma bia na majaja oba bia me dia she bi no nsa no and then many prayer men so for the past week work for the other men. If you see what if you have pop the Germany actually no be a so it's yama tender some kind of sabbatical leave. Na onya kwanye ejuma.
Okay. We are CBB Nsikwampa, but your ana normalization committee as I catch say omo mandate ebe end 31st of March no enyama na wie die but ya san extend e dia mom till September 31st e wo mudwumadi a mugusu di mu but na me hwe sena ne masiti e besi sabre no asensen trofo a ye die parking kan ya kofifa website ahwe sena ne masiko so the last time empayfo e hia mu no so no ya hwe omo adendum ene sena ne masiti na enya de a Ghana yedin e wo omo nkrata bia so ne omo komo hwehwe bia mu but empayfo ana abeka che say omo mandate no ya extend e dia ma no oti the extension of the mandate no de na ba wadwum.
Well, I say, I should have because coming events always carry their own schedules. They themselves are never. Because Nicodemus, you know, they wrote to FIFA. Now, because you are not for extension, 31st, you baby, but you are more extension. Maybe I say they should give us the roadmap from Nekusi or China. You say now we are done also. Everything is shaded in secrecy. I think that's not the best way to go. On the table. Martinelli. We are not a hospital, so I don't know me better. Extension area. There are more, but it's just
okay. Before more extension, come by and say, must appointed Black Stars Management Committee members. You're sure say what is in a members, no? Paying for that's our committee. So, who matches I bought in recent times, crowd Kuma, I say, oh my Jumanesa. Oh, and also who is saying?
I mean, the statutes, the rules and regulations of FIFA, CAF, GFA, the only thing I just had the executive committee and the normalization committee. So the statutes and rules and regulations will be put in the books. You also normal. I don't see this committee the light of the day because it's unheard of. Maybe as a crowd by the deputy sports minister and mention member of the Black Stars. Now GMPC CEO and the science sponsor Black Stars. Next CEO say and the Black Stars no join from chairman. Is it not conflict of interest? Now deputy finance minister, the for staff. And I think that we are not in normal times. Let's do with it. Because okay, Usuma will so you would agree on me. But she is the statesman. Everything will come to normalize.
Okay. Na me hwa ade ba ko eno so kraka wona na me hwa nim se nka portfolio ni gina wode anke be mu musoma ho sesi amoye kick off the end of the NC special competition no eno so eba so I was saying na mesi ko modalities na bibia matiase.
Yeah. I mean you own kudos to all football administrators. Some of the media no edimo elambasi pa especially Momu dan kwakuya munya na mokante exam say onto the ball na yena na freedom fighter it means in the color within that short time never kwakuya no at least already year nyame ma otumi ball ran esa yemfa ende ni asantan say o share in painful lim to go afraid do ma henemo and playing for your football now discover selfish greedy variation giving the chance for some cancer because when because just a transition after 6 months this will be off. How is Koku going to relate with football people? Koku Kata Ayasisa, on you're very careful. But one person I'm about Miamia Abu Salam, Alaji Abu Salam. But you're very consistent from day one. And I can say, on the he will respect the rules and regulations and the status. Into almost special tournament, any the legal backing. Another thing there, I do my heart for him. But you're very consistent. Now, football people so say Qatar. They are 30,000 in Kenya. And all kudos to all football administrators.
Over there, at this stage, some of them see cost no. Now, I agree some money normal times because me, I personally do not agree because at times in Moana Kotoko, Afaso they call Africa. Now, achievement or no crano, were exceeded beyond previously an achievement and now one time I must say any normal times Simuno. But over there, Mokabum, now Mokasamu Bima Moa, and Moa saying Muyi.
Yeah, I mean, you're winning. Because of Abattoir, Basuntino. Basically, the timetable, no crano. And a football institute, Obia and the Biogina. It should be by anything that can boom, ever fight a common cause, no. Oh, when you do some AS and Pacrano, or more air them, and not the impact of their message. And Yama, you know, they are boy. The area the better, they come together. Now, you have said, we need to fight a common cause, no. It's for us. And that's the idea at Samoa and Sunujan Contia. And they Oko Gaka, but I didn't know leadership, they are struggling for positions. It's you know somebody in the Padobun 100 years. I know your model will be a position. And your mobilization, and your design committee, leader of delegation, a whole lot. And you know, leadership of Gaka there for now, no. I think that I have my
Gaka leadership, no so my idea.
They are all struggling for positions. Obia selfishness is getting the better part of them.
I'm up position man, I'm up position.
On a committee. And the idea say about fighting on Kwakwa, you could do mostly on it. And Jamba, your front to not pay a and that is why you do start region or so.
Diana, Edio Bibedi Gaka president, no.
What's it going to be better?
Diana Dio Bibedi Gaka chairmanship, and Diana Dio Bibaso.
I say 2 elections, yeah. Elections. You're to Abamawa, and we generally to Abamawa. But I think the next time, no, about to be able to be, no, I say you're checking a whole lot of factors. And yet, we are Madame for we mean that thing must be the thing of the past.
Elections are when eligible to contest that election.
Oh, Obia or football, or your football, Obia. Now, only a buy money. Now, or your football, not less than 2 years, everything the one. What's my contest?
Okay. Now, only club currently still Augustu Jinaso.
You go see then.
Was a welfare body and ameboa?
What's my head then?
Me say a welfare body and ameboa. Okay. It is a unkita club here. See now we Gaka Penya still Albetian Santa House.
Yeah, I mean, winning. I thought that will be a sacrifice, Emmanuel. But I hate individualistic tendencies. Why would you depart dominant leadership from by emergency mode? Munya and young people do there. Oh, young Kaya, Yanum, you also be unprinted, you know. But you are not a good leader. And you have a problem with the leadership of Gaka. Osha, after the expose, you know, the way they position themselves and I think that Dodona and me, you will be one of Dodona if you are more. Because those days, you know, they were trumpeting, oh, let's dissolve the Ezeco. And abandoning it to me. And the normalization committee at the body. That individualistic tendencies, you know, and a party a common cause, I can at least do something and so on. When for the above the Kawa, if you to oh, Omunya crying a doom paying for anymore. And someone said, M1 Nipokuno and Omoka. You know, as I said, only will be already part of 7, and I'm made 2 said, but what always is now winning. Sir, never because.
Okay. Over there, football memories say, I didn't go for being someone.
just a passing away. At the same from my come. Until I'm on every would be able to see Yemre, Nikinako, that touch us this month. As far as it's ever home.
Right, the chain, you better say,
Thank you, Father.
Okay. Inti ora te chan ana no so de de aboso no sidu anoye meka but Mike ma memra ho na fe ehwese ne ma esieko.
Prof, I think say after say enya the two Black Stars about 2 matches. After the game the Manchester Rising here man say most sports shows are now saying the football cycles. Niama for kana tactics. Tactics. You listen to any radio show, tactics. Na I'm for trying to explain the reasons why we didn't play well. I'm for so about players are anywhere the national team. A lot of them, but and then it's fun from a different point of view, and I say from a contrary view. Now, Prof, Papa be a friend of Albert Bandura, or a social psychologist.
Okay.
Now, or your theory say we. And also your theory on the topic observational learning. Or see, you better me see there by just watching, and I say by just observing, Prof. Uti by just observing. Into a Juba be and I say Ghana. And you say we go there to go and learn, but you can just stand and watch. Then we learn from it.
Albert Bandura,
yes,
Canadian American.
Thank you.
Okay.
Or see, and also develop your theory on observational learning. By just observing, we can learn.
Yes.
Yes, that is why a lot of kids, some share movies, some share cartoons. After the cartoon, when they go out, they want to exhibit what they've seen in the cartoons.
Ghana, as a result of movies,
action movies
in the 80s, no, and
yes,
because Uncle, I feel no mania, my bamping for almost share no color brim, ace in a dang and then they say, acting.
Good. Now, Uko with him Kakra in research. I do purely sports research. Uko into research. There are several methods I do research. You see observational method. Now observational method, another research method. Research. I don't really say you have a book. Say because surveying. I'm a questionnaires by just observing the variables in their natural habitat. You understand? Met me and I said to me, gather findings, and I'm able to write a good report. Into say Black Stars players we can observe them and we'll be able to tell the tactics coach Ebo. We can be able to tell the principles coach exhibiting in the play of the Black Stars. We can be able to tell the theories or the goalkeeper play within this theory. Theory or the defenders play within this theory. Theory or the midfielders who are playing exactly to instructions. And just say they are listening to the coach, and they are exhibiting the instructions of the coach on the pitch. Until when you use the observational method, you observe the variables, which is a place, in their natural habitat, which is the pitch. Now, this proposed attacking selection. Mubarak Wakasu, number 6. Thomas Tepate, number 8. Christian Achu, number 7. Dede Ayu, number 11. KP Boateng, number 10. Asamoah Gyan, number 9. Yebeji Afcon, no. My repeat view. Mubarak Wakasu, number 6. Thomas Tepate, number 8. Christian Achu, number 7. Dede Ayu, number 11. KP, number 10. Dede Asamoah Gyan, number 9. Now, if you look at this lineup, one of the lineups popular in sports cycles and in football cycles. You see, if you use this lineup, Ghana Beji Afcon in this year. Now, if you look at this lineup, on the 18th of February, with the boot, I share this lineup with 4 tactical reasons why I say we don't need KP in our team. Now, after say about Kenya game, if you listen to the commentary after the game, you see, Alasawa Kika say now Thomas Tepate and number 8 or number 10. Into your born to be a striker. Into Amafo now Omudi sa propose attacking lineup. Where Thomas Partey able 8 no. What sort of tactical thinking according to that proposed lineup? Omudi bar to come and air it to confuse people who are not intelligent as far as tactics is concerned. Nama Ben Omuhuye and San Omuka said we should put KP. We should put Thomas Partey in number 8, KP in number 10. Afcon. And after one game, you see Thomas Partey in number 8, number 10. Very clear tactical confusion. because you are expected to know more, to see more, and be able to bring proper analysis as far as tactics is concerned, Prof. Inti say AFCON, AFCON, I saw about 7 matches, but after just 1 match, Thomas Partey and number 8 game or number 10. We were made to believe say if you play Thomas Partey at number 8, Wakasu number 6, Thomas Partey and I say KP number 10, Ebeji. But after just 1 match, after Kenya match, Thomas Partey number 8 game. Now in the Kenya match, we have Thomas Partey, who is a star in the game. Number 8. We have Dede Ayew, who is a star in the number 8. Achu, yes, it's not that highly rated star. Young Jordan, as I if you look at this team, it's just only 2 stars per the room. But if you look at the proposed lineup, Abedemao, we have about 4 stars. KP a star, Asamoah a star, Dede Ayew a star, and Thomas Partey a star. After the Kenyan game, say I can say tactical overload of stars, and I said the tactical accommodation of stars. What about the proposed lineup? I have 4 stars. So you bought a lot of stars in your tactical team, and I say in your team. When you lose the ball, who does the tackling? And I say who chases for the ball in the middle of the park? If you are playing about 4 stars, in the Kenyan game you have only 2 stars. Yeah, can say tactical accommodation of stars. In the proposed lineup, we have about 4 stars. In the Kenyan game, 2 stars and count. If you bring that 2 stars into the Kenyan game, we have more tactical overload of, and I say tactical accommodation of stars. Prof, if you have to understand a worker obiaye, and I say who understand a theory obiaye, you have to read the theory, understand it, find the gaps in the theory, then you'll be able to do a meaningful contribution, and I say a good critique on the theory. Only the reason why, and then we have a lot of theories, because the first theory gaps in the theory. He read the theory, understood the theory, and I said no, there are gaps in this theory. He wrote his theory out of the gap of the first theories. There are several theories. Theories are born out of theories. Prof, theories are born out of the theories. Now, Kwesi was spending.
And I was taught at school that information of any theories ask relevant questions. Good.
Prof, now, Kwesi was spending 2 terms. The first term or the 885 days. The second term was spending over 719 days. Who cut these 2 days, Boma? Who went 1,604 days? Kwesi into Black Stars coaching job. There's no one single person ultimately explaining the philosophy of Kwesi Appiah. Every saying that all they do is that they use their general knowledge about tactics to criticize Kwesi Appiah. But you have to understand the philosophy to be able to see the gaps in the philosophy. Then you make meaningful contribution to his philosophy. Now, Luis Van Gaal and I say Pep Guardiola Bekacha say, in my philosophy of play, me players are but they are short. Who are technically gifted. Players are swift. When I play them in my team, they'll be able to move the ball very fast. Where are the principles, and I said the theories, and I said the philosophy of Pep Guardiola. Keepers who are not just short stoppers, but keepers who can play the ball as well. Obekacho say me young defenders who are just tall, but me young defenders who are ball playing. Into when the principles of Pep Guardiola, the tactics now. Luis Van Gaal Obekacho say when I work with experienced and senior players, they don't obey my instructions. I prefer young players with less ego, so that when I give them my tactics, they will be able to go and carry it out on the pitch. That is why I produce a lot of young players than it did well with the senior players. He fell out with Rivaldo. Now Rivaldo and Omboye won the system because of ego. Stoichkov Mundina because of ego. Omonya problem with Luis Van Gaal. But Luis Van Gaal as a coach, he has produced more young players. Xavi, Carles Puyol, David Alaba, Patrick Kluivert, the Dubois brothers, Overmars, Lingard, Marcus Rashford. These are young players Luis Van Gaal produced, and they went on to become international stars. Some even went on to win Champions League 1995-1996 season with Ajax. Prof, Mourinho Bekacho say me players who are short. Into me players who are very tall. Into go and look at the signs, and I say players of Jose Mourinho. They are all tall players, and I say we are physically imposing players. Go to Porto, you see Victor Bayer, a physically imposing goalkeeper. Go to Inter Milan, Maicon, or tall. You see Materazzi or tall. You see Stankovic. These are physically imposing players, or tall players. The reason why Mourinho, Eric Casillas, any problem because of the height, until we dominating the box. He starts Casillas down, brought in Diego Lopez. If you look at Diego Lopez, he was able to dominate area balls. That is how Mourinho play the players, or players who are very tall. Into Manchester United, the time Fellaini Obi Ambono no, he loved Fellaini because of the impact he could make on the game. Into this is the philosophy of Mourinho. These are my principles I want to work with. Me players are at all. You understand? Yes, into shop we see I also want the philosophy, but I'm not for share the philosophy here to identify the gaps and be able to make good contributions and be able to make proper critique. Understand? Prof, philosophy, philosophy a pregnant word. When you go to research and the literature review, you will be a conceptual framework. Conceptual framework is from the word concept. Now concept a pregnant word. Before say about pregnant and I say concept I say there are other things you must understand before you understand concept and I say you understand the pregnant word. Philosophy a pregnant word. You have to understand principles. You have to understand theories before you understand the philosophy of Kwesi Appiah. Now, let me come to explaining the philosophy of Kwesi Appiah. Okay. See, now Kwesi Appiah about 4-4-2 and I say 4-4-1-1. So about two strikers are 4-4-2. The strikers behind each other. You work in the game about 4-4-2 into your Wimano batting any Jordan and you playing it alongside each other. So overall the tactics are about 4-4-1-1. Say 4-4-1-1. You see Thomas Partey as a number 10 behind the top striker. That 4-4-1-1 plays only one striker. Prof, in the philosophy of Coach Kwesi Appiah, or see me goalkeeper. I want my goalkeeper to start playing ball from the back, and I say, Obasha is survival ball from the back, pass from the back. In the Kenya game, we saw a lot of ball from the back. Say, yeah, passing the ball from the back. Into Richard Ofori as the goalkeeper. On Balu ball foul, but he tried to pass until you see the two defenders going to the edges of the box to receive the ball. In the Mauritania game, you will start with Atizigi, say all passing the ball from the back. That is the principle. Odiama, the goalkeepers, play within these principles for me. When you gather all these principles, you get a theory. If you look at the definition of a theory, it said it's an integration of a set of principles that explains a behavior or a phenomenon. If you share the behavior of Richard Ofori, you have the specific principles. Play the ball at the back. That is what I want. My philosophy, no. Play the ball from the back. Understand? Inti Sai Pepper na coach another player see on the field. So uko the defense on catch say they should be more playing defenders. All they need to do as defenders say you put your body on the line. That is what and I say instructions are there mom. Put your body on the line for me. That is what I want you to do for me. Uko the midfielder. I'm afraid I say you need number 8. You need number 8. You need number 8. Now problem let me tell you something. 24 players are selected here just for these 2 games. Number 8 in him. If you look at the 24 players I selected here, number 8 in him and after say Stephen Appiah, and I say after the retirement of Stephen Appiah, there's no and I say a better number 8 than Kojo Asamoah. Kojo Asamoah is the best passer of the ball than all the players in the Black Stars. Compare Mubarak and Kojo Asamoah, you can never tell me say Mubarak is the better passer of the ball than Kojo Asamoah. But Kojo Asamoah to bench you, but he never used him. Because in the center of the and I said in midfield, the 2 central midfielders on pair number 8 or pair 2 number 6 or pair 2 defensive midfielders on pair the combination of a number 6 and number 8 and I say on pair the complement of a deep central midfielder and I say a deep creative central midfielder and a defensive midfielder in number 8 position doesn't exist in Kwesi Appiah philosophy. Existing, that is why I more of Efi Akwa any Ajimabedu. That is why we've seen more of Mubarak and Ajimabedu. That is why we've seen more of Wakasu Mubarak and Efi Akwa. And we've seen less of Thomas Partey and Mubarak. Because when Thomas Partey plays as a number 8 in the Black Star, on to me meeting the demands Kwesi Appiah, any man the central defenders, or 2 defensive midfielders who will show a lot of aggression, any energy in the midfield of the pack. Thomas Partey to me here, that is why he struggles all the time. That is why and I say less of Ebenezer Ofori, any Efi Akwa, and we are seeing more of Ajimabedu, any Mubarak. We are seeing more of Efi Akwa, any Mubarak. We are seeing more of Efi Akwa and Ajimabedu because these are stiff, and I say these are defensive midfielders. Or maybe 2 number 6 into center pair on pair number 8. If you have to understand, and I say you have to understand the philosophy of the coach before you can say something. Say, oh, because you need number 8, and that means you want to do the job yourself. Because if you want to criticize him, understand the philosophy, understand the theory, find the gaps, and you punch in with your critiques, and I say criticisms, and I say you add meaningful contribution to it. In the center pair of Kwesi Appiah, the philosophy, there's no number 8, or 2 defensive midfielders, on pair number 8. Into who share the difference the number 2 and number 3. The reason why Kojo Asamoah am boy the number 3 because and yes Kojo Asamoah sound and yes Kojo Asamoah is not playing a lot of minutes. Uko the Italians are Kojo Asamoah about 2,723 minutes. Lumo about only 523 minutes as a player. But why say Kojo Asamoah etina as Lumo boy? The reason is just simple because Lumo was speed etin Kojo Asamoah and only speed are board the number 2 and as a number 3 position in the philosophy only speed that is why and that Obale will play ahead of Amos Frimpong because if you put the 2 players together Opari was speed Amos Frimpong. You understand? In the number 2 and number 3 position you have to have speed to play there. Only speed on foul into and Baba Rama will even be picked ahead of Kojo Asamoah because of the speed and then be the speed peg until you pick these 2 players ahead of Kojo Asamoah in the middle of the pack on pair number 8 or pair 2 number 6 2 defensive midfielders into number 8 in the system. If you are saying say open number 8 then that is your general overview and I said your general knowledge on tactics or no you have to understand it first before you make contribution. Now in the number and I say in the wings that is the creative part of the philosophy Kwesi Appiah philosophy or per se most of the balls and for the wings into that is why we see less action areas in the middle and we see more action on the wings into the philosophy. So and I said the tactics very work here. Yeah, it depends on the wingers. So wingers now and show up on the day the wingers. But if the wingers play well, you see say the tactics are working. Now in the Kenyan game, now Christian Achu owed a lot onto the balls. You must release the ball as a player, make the ball tick, move the ball fast to exploit the spaces in behind the Kenyan defense. But Kenya for Oman Basso ball, they came to frustrate us into defensively. You know we are solid, but going forward, they were not a threat. Into Achu, if you keep on holding on to the ball, now you delay on the ball, you give the opposition the time to recover and form a good organization behind the ball. But Ushana, he was doing a lot of dribblings with no end product. And that was the reason why for the first for the first 45 minutes, Yanya one shot on target because Achu failed to release the ball quickly. You understand? That is why we call Newcastle. We have Kennedy, any Almiron player ahead of Achu. Who share Achu statistics as a winger? Goal scored 0, assist 0. That is why Obo with Kenya wants to create one chance because he was holding on to the ball a lot of times instead of releasing it to the strikers. Who caught the number 7 position in the Kenyan game? Go back and go and watch the game again. In the Kenyan game, Kwesi Appiah will say, I don't have a target man. 2 players are more. There are 4 focal point strikers. If you look at their body shape, the kind of strikers are who have strength to shield the ball and that's a well protected ball against the defenders. And see, will say, let me move Dede Ayew from the number 7 when I'm attacking. Let me instruct Dede Ayew go to the box and I say Koka in the box so that to be 3 in the box and leave the number 7 position for Deno Opari to use his speed to go up and down the flanks, go up and down to go and supply crosses into the box. Into Kenya ball. Look when you're attacking, look at the box and that's such a box with 3 players because Coach Taka say Akache there you say move from the number 7 position to the number 9 position. Go and join Jordan Ayew any Monobatin because if you look at their structure, all the players are who are good in the air. But Dede Ayew with the height now or jumping power. That is why Wetimia share against Germany in the 2014 World Cup with a header. Yes. Or that jumping power. That is why Coach Tekache said, "Me as a Majan, into target man will be very very difficult for me to go into the box. So the bear when we put in the crosses, you'll be able to take advantage of it." In the Kenya game, on your one header, na keeper ni point here. The rebound was ruled for a foul on the goalkeeper. You have to understand the tactics of the coach before you make interjections. Now, the number 8 is the real problem because at the day, and I said in the Kenya game, we were struggling. For 70 minutes we were struggling. You have to be creating one chance. But Otu the initial bench, Kojo Asamoah, why is he not using him? Kojo Asamoah is the best passer of the ball than Mubarak. He's the best passer of the ball than Achu. But why is he not using Kojo Asamoah? Is Kojo Asamoah not number 8? Oh yeah, number 8. And Sana moving it to the left back position. But why is he not using him? When Joe say in his tactics and I say in his philosophy, he doesn't need number 8. He needs 2 defensive midfielders who will show aggression, who will show speed, who will show tenacity, who will show graft in the middle of the park to win the ball with one distraction. When you win the ball, take it to the wings. A long diagonal ball to the wings for my wingers to attack. That is why we show the action areas of attack more on the wings, less in the middle of the park. Prof, if you want to make good instructions and as a good contributions, understand the coach first. find gaps, then you make good and as a meaningful contribution. And just say sorry, and then you just make any contribution just like that. Now the real problem, look at the real problem. If you look at the Black Stars team, your friend Nanu Achu, Mubarak, Daniel Pari, Lumbo, majority of the players are there common between these names and about AM height. I'm not from Shell. Mubarak, Achu, Dede Ayu, Emmanuel Boateng, Jordan Ayu. A lot of them, Erika Santimuni now. If you look at height, a big problem. In Africa, we don't have good pitches. Into most of the balls, route one, area balls in Kwan, because we don't have good pitches. Into your ball or grass, your ball or area ball. At a crucial game in AFCON, say the likes of Senegal, who are physically imposing, who are good on the ground and good in the air. So when you have free kicks or when you have corner kicks, how do we defend against this team? I'm more the likes of Sheku Kuyate, Khalid Koulibaly, in buying the Afra Sako. These players are good in the air. What do we do if we meet this team? Push your case again, no.
We give our players fans.
Yes, at one point in time, Thomas Tepate or a little bit of height, across the ball for Achu to go ahead. Nyakona. At one point in time, Thomas Tepate the across the ball for Achu and Jordan with no height, and I say height in Shadan him to go ahead ball to go ahead for a corner kick. How many times I shot from corner kicks and free kicks with headers? Watch it. That is the major problem. My mom from they are looking at number 8. Whilst number 8 doesn't exist in Kwesiapia philosophy, it doesn't exist on per number 8 or per 2 defensive midfielders. That is why I prefer Alfred Danka, any Wakasu Alasan. That is why I prefer more of Efiakwa, any Ajibadoru. That is why I prefer more of Efiakwa, any Wakasu. Because on per number 8 or per defensive midfielders, 2 defensive midfielders in the middle of the park on per number 8. Into number 8, I'm questioning that. Speak to him. So your press conference, we should ask him technical questions. You answer them. Say now, and I say compare the questions, and I say what I'm doing here to the answers of my say you will be far, and I say will be different from it. Now this is the real issue. Blasters, they say GCAP na mentality issue. Now yeah, we talk and say your bogus your muji shemai, but I want to know for crowd and I said local players now go back to the 63, 65, 78, and 82 squad. Go and check what they were doing at that time. On the time, they were challenging for trophies or winning trophies. 80% of the players were challenging for trophies or winning trophies. Into when you bring them to the national team, they are already competitive. Look at the current Black Star players. The last time coach winning cup here, 2011, and at 23 Maputo games, not winning gold. After 8 years, then Awaji. So is he a proven winner? And then 2019, episode got AFCON. Is he a proven winner? Look at Asabaja. In 5 years, what did they? And that's a trophy Ben was challenging for. Look at Jordan. In 10 years, what did they? Look at the Ayu. In 5 years, what did they? The only player who competes for trophies, the only player who challenges for trophy, but also in the national team. If you look at Thomas Tepate, also challenges, if you take out Thomas Tepate, the 23 players left, winning mentality here.
0/100.
Yes, but we want these players to go and play 7 games and win AFCON. Look at the pressure given to these players. Winning mentality here. Compare these two. Prof. Coach Kwesiapia, the last time he won was in 2011. After that, on winning trophy, and in Africa, if you look at the top coaches in Africa, Omukra national team, Kwesiapia is not the best because having Renard what AFCON back to back, 2013, 2015 respectively. Qualified the team to the World Cup. Until you compare this to Kwesiapia is nowhere near to having Renard, and that. We are doing tactical analysis with so much and I say less meaning just to create pressure for this coach. Or a lot of pressure because as a coach only that winning mentality. And we try a players in Kasa and I say a players only that winning mentality. And just say both teams who are competing for trophies. And I say both teams who are challenging for trophies. They are playing for teams who are fighting for mid-league place. And I say fighting to escape relegation. Go to Turkey, Fenerbahce, they are fighting to escape for relegation. And today, before you come to the tournament, now I break because of post-season fatigue. Or when breasts are, so if you don't give him a proper camping and I say proper rest before the game, what you expect from him, will never get it. Asamoah is 33 years. If you don't pass the ball to his feet, on to Minyashe. If you pass the ball into space, you ask Asamoah, go and take it on to Kofa because he has a lot of injuries in his career. As a function of in age 33, while losing sharpness, while losing energy. If you look at in recent games on both matches until there's lack of playing time with Asamajan, and you are open and I say you are putting your hopes in Asamajan. If you don't pass the ball to the feet, where you into who play a compact football where you bring the ball closer to the box, then you pass it to Asamajan for him to score, and I say for him to use experience. Man, a long ball, so I'm going for to me go further. Asamajan the Koulibaly on 1-on-1. Do you think Asamajan will outwit Koulibaly?
Still at 94.7 FM. So Michael Okan, the youngest researcher in town, and just 15 years of age, and the analysis no asaba.
Wallace, I'm said Okan to emphasize no, of course, take your more what we call the Super League. Fenerbahce is a big club. I'm the 13th now. 13. Yes, 13th out of 18 clubs. So Osha, that's traumatic situation that they cry come worse than any other player, because you are as a Obo Kotoko. Now Yabo League now Moda your friend saying Yabo 26 matches. 18 no, that means Yabo 36 no. Yabo 36 matches no. Now Yabo 28 now Moda 13. Fatoto Kotoko. Now Yabo 28 now Moda 13. Pressure that Dr. Cheso, pressure that CK pressure them most important most no. Exactly what that's what's happening to the guy, especially when he's a lone player. You understand? So you see, unfortunately Ghanaians pay comprehensive analysis. I always say Sasemba wrong. The best is that pick people who you think can properly think about the situation, put them in a room, feed them, and get them to analyze the situation. Look at the analysis is made. How many of us do that analysis? The traumatic situation, the players, the pressures that these Ghanaian players are home. Opa, pick every single player is mentioned. Crystal Palace. Look at Crystal Palace, how they are struggling to survive in the English Premier League. Pick every player one by one. Exempt the two. And even now the coach. Pate. Now your friend say Kuya Samoa. Take the players Nyaka. The traumatic situation in their club. None of them is fighting for a championship in whichever league they are playing. You understand?
Want to go and win the cup.
You see, so the real situation, no, and unfortunately, you see at the committee those who can pull Sika. And I ask myself, saying, no? Yes, those who can press buttons to bring money. Sebi, like I always say, there were 2,000 footballers in the field. And no one has second to a mobile ball. Your footballers, your rich footballers, the game is just a pastime for them. So when young ball 9 months, no, obi on ma, ofidi no pepe, but from mentally no, unstable, because that's what keeps him going. Also Sunday and a normally meantime, if I don't play football on Sunday morning, it's like something has been taken away from me. Any of the days I don't care about what happened, but Sunday morning, my mobile, that's what happens to many of the players. So take the 24 players halfway and take into consideration all the analysis. Kwesi has invited 27 midfielders in the last 22 months of Beteke man. In total 65, but 27 midfielders in Kwa. Strike balance now about 49% of players are midfielders. You understand? And we are still not getting it right.
Okay.
You see, so like what you say, we need to probe the mentality, the philosophy, the understanding. This one I was mentioning, say 4-4-2 can never be an archaic system. It remains the best system in the world. Even though England for the World Cup in 1966, no, they have still relied on it, but unfortunately, have not gotten the materials for it, because the 4-4-2 is one of the most powerful systems that anybody can deploy, because you need people who can play in their natural positions. So yes, number 7, he should have one speed. He should be a very good controller of the ball. He should be a very good crosser of the ball. He should have, average crossing into the middle line. We don't have that in any of our players. So number 6, also a box to box, that one we have. So number 1, 8, also very flexible. He should be able to distribute the balls to the right and to the left. But okay, Ghana, I was saying, Jeffrey Shop was useless on the game. Do you know why? Because supplies were not coming to him. Because
No, I'm talking about Ghana, Mauritania. Okay. Ghana, Mauritania, and that game Americano. He was useless in the game because all the supplies were going to the right. And as Wakaso Nyabola, Oko right, he's thinking just one side. Sassuolo boy, no. Duncan Nyabola to the right, Pate Nyabola to the right. So you have all your three midfielders, the box-to-box one, the one we claim to be Flair, and the one playing at the back of the striker, all playing. So unfortunately, because there was pressure on Enes Asante, he became a flop because Obianya Bola direct at the. So by force, no, Jeffrey Schropp had to move from his line and join the middle just because Opebo Nubiabo. You understand? And because the 4-4-2 means number 7 cross, so number 11 cross, so who was strong Tony Abua. Already. It was not for nothing. Tina Titino, strikers. Look at them. Amadou Papa no Hasi. Papa saw the Kwauntuni strikers. High Tinama. Tony Abuamo. Look at the strikers because we had very good crosses of the ball. Now we listen to Buanu but Kofi Poku is the special guest. Monka so we are now. Wale. I'm sorry, you be say you be say me bahao. I keep saying say I like the way I analyze it. I just want penokre. Because in some more canon you may have your reservations or whatever, but of course fancy asamoja and bobo na said the okano on say yena edru baby a born say o pass ababa ka assembly you know in our playing this akutubabi and opebia yebo so na your ex-players be person o man pass na man ho director also the disappoint actually uncle because the truth is that unia holding and you see sometimes no yes sometimes a bit me amount man space possible to space it means that a opponent na more struggle for ball no obo man cry uncle so it's important say we will need to know the kind of players are here. She player be or say boko be or on camp because him say Levi. What I say, and I commend him. I don't know. Say sometimes I feel sad. Say you know after listening to him, to say that America say me if I was doing club football now, I'll bring him on board, no matter what, because and your coach Biano to me. That's why some coaches. Brazil omoko bo match omodi coach say wa bonten no kra mekasa bonten omo ni pitch ne so kra stands no mu no doso oh and they all communicate to the coach because one thing I've realized that so parks now coach here I say auto draft the DH kra no ehum echen so when you have these people half time obet me assign obi say look hwe asimesi mame hwe omo back line no look, your boy, you have mistakes, but it is somebody who tells you, look, far. So, coach investor is all building an attack from that side because Odi Obia Kwakoto said, okay, to me, beating in the panel. Fine, bring somebody and I'll find an alternative. And this is something Ujaona Okucha Emma Wadrim. She said, be a half time. No, be a pass okay. Didn't I to me away anyway. Now, say time beso I'll keep recommending you. I've recommended you to a couple of people. I don't know whether they've called you, but no problem. I have maybe they also want to listen to you and form their own opinion, but I've spoken to people say look these are people you hear more national teams. Seriously, Wallace. I can't say my own and now when I broach say you see but and your master son. Show bet me who say oba bibi. How you cry? You don't even have an idea about it. It's not wrong to go to him and how did you do this? Because you're nice, so that they be able to baby now also no. But she say TSC kwako winning AFCON, and people have that in their minds. No, seriously. She team be Oja Parks no about to say yes team ni. Yeah, you can see it. All kind about winning mentality. It is true. It is true. Wala share. Even yani Kenya ball. Sometimes ball go true. Now share your players who make a form babe toa. I say, you know they don't care. You don't see any urgency. Oh, no aggression. That's what I'm saying, because they say no, but so many, we've lost so many things, and it is about time you better share sad mano rather than say, oh yeah, kobobo anyway. No, I don't need because we have the talents, no two ways about it. But and what can how say we share talented players of Ghana, near Kenya and Bobo. And they are playing as a team, they are not playing any individualistic. But we have way first now your bobo players, the players also bomb because they were miles ahead. But this time they must it could be a bobo because people have come to understand say when you invest into the game, but we are not investing. Ghana, we are not investing in football. And so I see football people now, so no. I've always said, we have been our own enemies. I always say that because I am individualistic. English Premiership is going everywhere. People are watching. First, that's sanity, but now it has changed. It's about time. Say you dream no maybe near can maybe I sometimes. Na maybe say na TV and do we know what is happening? Look, we can do it. Look, I strongly believe say we have men to do it. Look, let's try it. Your failure is not the end of the world. People try once, twice. All we need is to encourage ourselves. What must I say? Now you hear support, but we sure Ghana no obi aditi pimpin. What must I say? A minister of state. Why do people even want positions? But they say according to Niska, if you want to be rich, you go and do this. It's not supposed to be so. So say if Yanfani say media, say okwa buchina ko hu enema bi a media men kita. Maybe say what is this? So if you want to build your industry, you create that enabling environment for those who are working there, so that Obi Fiabuchi, no Bagana, no enter any of our studios will be able to say yes, we are of age. Oh, you to be the gadget BBC with him now. Say you don't know what it is because you've not seen it before. What would you mention? If we are able to use sophisticated phones about recent times, what stops us from thinking just as we have the phones and yet to me manipulating the idea? But sometimes we feel say, oh, I deal with the DBS hard and so and until who say it near far cap and yeah we just say somebody can maybe but if we can move on, we need everybody. So you are talking about football now. We are all talking about football. Office I join a team. I join any Bakufo team. Into Bakufo and to me Yejuma. But to be a good leader, you should be able to accommodate everybody. Even Kwasiabi Krabet me Sebi, Obet me can send me at that very particular moment in the but Oko when you about say, hey, I could say more kind of man fan that time, no. And no Nababeto no. So, and no amitié Abdul Salam. But one says sometimes, yeah, now I think almost station say what as the kind one say sometimes you can say asama to be and answer ni bi aka baby a obi wa normal obi so ho a obi su sabe 3 days obi feel say nipa na wo wunu na ha no oni ho aka de so de me che no me ka si asem so say ye wo man mu so what I say na ya so restricted say even adeɛ kora say ye ntumi nya onya ho de bi ho hia but only the other be nto say ho hia but ho hia. So I have said that, look, football industry, I always call it a football industry. And some come with passion, some into obi akasa yati. Obi o support Kotoko. Whereas me say me obi Kotoko na dance Barcelona. So te wa problem so hey Kotoko na dance Barcelona. Say Kotoko what would you say again? Those are the Obikasa may sometimes Mr. I'm happy because Udusa Akwawe, he's so passionate, say he's seeing Kotoko as Barcelona. You can't take it only the Kokan or you leave that person because you need those people. No more pack. Sally Pano, Yasha Kotoko 20, he will still go there. So you need that person. But Ukokasi, so we need everybody. Some will come very passionate, some will also come and this idea you better market time. Even look at what is happening. I've been saying that Anas expose by well Obia one opinion, but at least there most are deal with so what do? We need to correct it. But said you be a kind of football for. They be besides who say for the past 6 months for normalization we have been complaining that way but we as the football family having looked at it say yes, this was where we are and idea by where are we going to, which step, what are the corrections who do we want to lead us? Nipa no be lead no. Asobe to me abuana say enkoye the same old story ana. But we are not thinking about those things. And just when I say please, what I would want to say is that look, normalization committee almost flaws. They have look a lot of them, but we have to help them by telling them say look fine. We understand, say, we disappointed Ghanaians by Nema is here, which, okay, fine, let's put it. How do we move on? Send another coast football, by now, we should be thinking about those things. But and also by now, if we talk about blueprinter, a national team, the say, because the fact say, young football now be does say my engine. Okay. I love about boss. We need to think about all these things. Yeah. Oh, so that okay, you more farmer how prepared are we? That's the point. Okay. Enti come on we na but emre so court na najwa still can call fire crado. Also prof, this is getting interesting like other theories and social learning theories. Observational theory has its criticisms as well. A clear one is that the theory does not give room for genetic or biological factors such as cognition, brain. You just watching doesn't necessarily reflect your ability of performing. Hence is the interplay of several factors which explains the phenomenon of learning. Dominic Akwesi from University Osnabrück, Germany, and also the way 18 as I can home. The rest never is your course at German Americans. I know a mosquito was patients. The prof, big ups to Michael O'Kine. The rest Liverpool formation under Bob personally was 2-3-5. The 2-3-5 formation of 2 full backs, 3 half backs, and then 5 forwards was well established, and this was the formation adopted by the team. Winning Komo Bisodia by we Dominic.
Achimota and Adomeka so we about also the very lengthy message and Abanyami Adoma in Yadaje Betia can more blood will flow in Ghana. The president needs more we so there or also they have a firm no but it can carry so well as this is the best analysis on the on Ghanaian coaches I have ever heard. I could see FL and also the way Etimi Asaba or say Wallace your man is phenomenal but because of no KP now we need to play 6 Mubarak Wakasu, 7 Achu and 8 Kudwa Samoa, 9 Asamoah and 10 Thomas Party. And then Asam will be so Ediaba. While as your researcher is not making sense today. If Akwesi Apia does not doesn't tell us his philosophy, how will we know Godson from Ashaman? I'm sure that you have equally not made sense. I'm sure that you have equally.
We also have to ask him.
I'm sure that you have equally also not made sense. Don't worry.
If you doesn't tell me,
you want to know.
I'm doing the listening to you live at my phone now at Achimota, Tobut, Adenta, with Rashid Ramadan, and also the Sakuyaba. Emreneko. No additions and subtractions. We see no matter what say.
Also share the live on Facebook.
It's Chobibia, the Bessia, Nigeria Silky, and out in Natalia Kama and the hairstyle and so a bosso. I said, we put on a mechano, because you fear now, Cosimufi, it's the Bessia, not fair, and Yamabisia, I didn't anyway.